Okay, we've got the RCA 42-inch FHD TV, and I'm just going to kind of browse around here a little bit and show you what you get. I've connected things like Netflix and Disney, Prime, Spotify, things like that. There's a bunch of different apps you can get. For the most part, it just does what you would expect. It's a smart TV, so you can install all your apps. You know, if you want to watch live TV, you can do that too. I don't really do that so much, but Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Disney. It comes with all the apps, and this is kind of the home screen that you get. You know, we've had this now for maybe a year and a half actually. And yeah, it's been very reliable. It's never had any problems. So what we're running here, we actually run a Amazon Fire Stick into the TV, which it connects through the HDMI at the back. And I can show you that in a second. And so basically it will like pull in recommendations and things from the apps you've connected. So it will pull in things from like Prime Video, Netflix, all mixed into kind of one screen like this. You have a bunch of things, you know, internet browser, all the settings here, and the TV overall is really good. It's high quality. I never have any issues with quality. For me personally, for my eyes, it looks like as sharp or as crisp as I would want it to get. Really, really nice colors, you know, bright, vivid colors. And yeah, if you're just looking for a TV that is, you know, more than big enough for most homes, as I said, it's 42 inches, which for most homes, unless you have, you know, a much kind of bigger house, this is going to be pretty much as big as you need it to get. Like, I think they say you should sit something like 3 times the length of the TV away from the TV for optimal eye health. And so for most homes, you know, 42 inches is really kind of as big as you would want it to get without breaking that rule, you know, depending on how much you want to stick to that. So yeah, I feel like the size is perfect. It's very, very easy to use, very lightweight. It's, yeah, it does exactly what you would expect. It has a mounting feature at the back. Let me show you around the back of the TV now. So as you can see here, we're running a bunch of different things. We've got this Nintendo Switch and things like that, but we have, yeah, HDMI ports here. The Fire Stick is plugged in down here. And it also has things like USB, you know, interfaces. You can mount it. So yeah, like I said, if you're looking for a TV that is very family friendly, does what it says on the tin, very, very good kind of, you know, value for what you get, then I highly recommend.